Good day, my name is Esteban Jose San Juan Calle, and today I will be speaking about environmental education and sustainability. More specifically, I will be discussing the integrated management of solid waste at the Marco Fidel Suarez Educational Institution in Barranquilla. Currently, the planet is suffering a severe environmental crisis due to factors such as climate change, biodiversity loss, and pollution. This is a serious problem due to a lack of awareness among citizens. For this reason, we are seeking to create an environmental education strategy and implement it within the student community of the Marco Fidel Suarez Educational Institution. This strategy aims to contribute to ecological awareness, collective action, and sustainable practices within the school. To further emphasize the problem, there is a complete lack of waste sorting, which leads to constant accumulation. Related to the previous issue, it is known that students lack knowledge about waste sorting and its direct environmental impact. Furthermore, there are no courses or consultants available to help raise environmental awareness. This results in an unpleasant environment due to odors and waste, compounded by the harmful gases generated by this waste. This project is justified based on its three dimensions, which are presented through the pedagogical dimension. This seeks to create a connection between theory and practice, promoting an understanding of the contribution of students' daily actions. The environmental dimension. This aims to manage waste in an environmentally friendly way through reduction, reuse, or recycling. Social. This focuses on raising awareness among all members of the educational community, students, teachers, parents, and staff, to foster environmental responsibility among all involved. The theoretical framework is presented below. Now it's time to discuss the methodological design of this environmental education strategy, beginning with the approach, which will be qualitative and participatory. This approach aims to raise students' awareness while teaching them to evaluate the problems caused by waste and how to prevent them, communicating the results obtained for better understanding. Related to the above is the methodology that will be followed, which will focus on how students learn from the situation by identifying problems, actively collaborating in their resolution, and reflecting on the impact of acting or inaction, emphasizing teamwork. Finally, we have the phases that will be carried out during the implementation of the environmental education strategy, which are environmental diagnosis, awareness and training, implementation of ecological workshops, participatory evaluation, and finally, monitoring and sustainability. Below is the development of the workshops necessary to implement the environmental education strategy. The proposal included 4 main workshops. The first workshop, Zero Waste in My School, helped identify waste problems and create informational posters, strengthening environmental awareness and teamwork. The second workshop, The Composting Cycle, guided students in building a composter using food waste from the school cafeteria, encouraging them to observe the decomposition process and learn how to reuse waste. The third workshop, My Ecological Footprint, used digital tools to measure individual environmental impact and promote sustainable choices. Finally, the Climate Guardians workshop trained environmental leaders to manage ecological initiatives, reinforcing leadership, cooperation, and responsibility. The project generated positive impacts, such as a significant increase in knowledge about waste management, 87% improvement, behavioral changes in 75% of students, a cleaner school environment, and the creation of permanent environmental groups. Among the lessons learned, it was identified that environmental education is more effective when it is experiential, that student leadership is key to sustainability, and that institutional support is essential for the project's continuity. The evaluation combines several methods: direct observation, photographic records, surveys of students and teachers, ecological logs, and rubrics for creativity and participation. The findings included increased environmental awareness, greater interdisciplinary collaboration, and a notable improvement in the school's cleanliness and sustainability culture. The EVA strategy is essential because it fosters sustainable habits and environmental awareness through participatory learning. It connects theory with practice, aligning with SDGs 12 and 13 by reducing waste and promoting a circular economy. Furthermore, it strengthens critical thinking, collaborative work, and environmental citizenship, transforming the school into a model of sustainability where environmental values are lived every day. The implementation demonstrated that significant environmental change arises from education and active participation. The workshops fostered greater ecological awareness, student leadership, and improved waste separation and cleaning practices. Although challenges remain, such as maintaining ongoing participation, the impact on school culture is evident. EVA is establishing itself as a model for integrating sustainability into education and demonstrates that small collective actions can generate lasting transformations. Thank you for your attention. Have a good day. Thank you for your attention. Have a good day.